Guess I went far enough. So typically that's not good when that happens to your tire, FYI. You see how it just cracked like halfway around?
Yeah, you know I do.
That's not what we want in a tire.
Oh, it really is a little donut.
Yep. It be tubeless.
I don't know what that means.
It means that they don't put air in it so that it won't deflate in the back of your car and then you're stuck without a tire.
Oh, is that cool?
Yeah. I mean, keeps you from being stranded. The only part is, as much as I can replace a tire, I've never actually used a donut. Because all my vehicles have had full-size spares. Which is no big deal other than the fact that I don't know which way a donut goes. Which way does a deep side of the spare should face the inside of the car?
I feel like that was a safe assumption.
This is the second spare tire we're using in a span of a week.
Yeah. Does this one count as a spare, though?
Let's just say this one's a heck of a lot more temporary than the other one.
Did you double check that none of my other tires are trying to explode?
I did.
Verdict was?
The rest of your tires will make it home. Good thing I know how to do this.
It is.
I wouldn't hate it if I stopped having to do it for a while.
Well, I got nothing. In my defense, I've been telling you my tire pressure light was on. You've been driving my car.
The difference is, it wasn't a leak.
No, very clearly it was not. Why would it have been a leak?
What?
Why would a leak have been okay?
Because if it was a leak and your tire pressure is low,
Uh-huh.
then filling up your tire fixes the leak, right?
Right, but if you think about it, if you had just tried to fix the leak that didn't exist, you would have noticed that the tire was about to explode. No, 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 no.
So you're banned from driving your car,
This is my car.
at least for a little while. I don't suppose you have paper towels in here, do you?
I might actually. Actually, I doubt it. You cleaned out my car, remember? I have napkins.
You have a napkin. Now you don't have any napkins.
Thanks.
Alright, let's give it a go.
It'd be.
You're up.
I don't wanna.
You gotta drive it starting with the tire.